Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Do you know what today's video is? It's all about the sadness. Welcome to another video where I'm going to continue tearing this down, see what else is damaged. Before I start to order new parts, I'll determine if this is even worthwhile fixing. I do know the engine runs well, doesn't burn oil, and I was hoping for something for an easy fix, but seems like the problem, which I was having on the passenger side, is definitely related to the timing because we are out one pin. So instead of having 12 pins, we got 11 between the timing marks. So in this video, I'm going to work on taking intake off. I'm going to work on getting that driver's side valve cover off. And before I start going, make sure that that's all covered up so we don't drop anything inside there. Okay, we're going to move these hoses out. Off the way. Got this evap that I am going to get rid of as well. That's taken care of. This electrical connection, squeeze. I am going to pull this out. That's going to be out of the way. This is disconnected. Now this has a red lock. That's kind of a pain to get out. When that's done, I'm going to pull this off the way. Actually, I'm just going to scoot it right down here. And it looks like someone before me has gotten a little rough with this. I'm gonna see. I was able to get my impact driver in there. So now that's out. Hopefully I can slide this bracket off as such. Perfect. That part's done. Yeah. I broke the seal and pull that off. And that's off the way. Tin. Twist them off. A back one that's kind of hidden. We're gonna have to use a swivel on it because it's kind of in the depths there. There. Those are all taken care of. Theoretically, I should be able to lift this right out as such. As you can see, the oil actuators are just a squeeze and pull. That's a little tight to get off with the there we go. That part's done. So now gently. Looks like that one there was broken. Doesn't look like that one there was even on. Damn, none of those were on. Now we got this camshaft sensor at the very back. my tool in there, if it's big enough. See if I can. There we go. Sometimes having this tool is worth its weight in gold. So I'd take care of that. That takes care of that. Alright, so I got that evap hose in the back. Actually, that just came right off. And I could probably just, oh, never mind, it's attached. So I'm just gonna leave it float. That's one. That's two. That's three. That's what we said before. With a T27. Let's see if I can, how stuck is it? No, actually it's gonna come right out easy. That came out really easy. Perfect. Cam sensor we said before with a T27. Let's see if I can, how stuck is it? No, actually it's gonna come right out easy. That came out really easy. Perfect. So before I move the valve, I should have actually did this before I removed the cam sensor, but oh well. So I'm going to try to do these hard to get bolts first. Like there's one behind this valve cover, I believe. Yeah, it's right down there. That one there's going to be, I got a feel for it. Oh, I swear the the passenger one was easier to unbolt. That's got a long stud. What size is this? 10 mil. No wonder it wasn't going to work. I need 8. Okay. And then there's one. So this one here, if I can just get it to go on. Motherfucker! Motherfucker! Get the old El Swivel. There. So I got one more hiding. So I need to cut that. I get that off the way. Because I got one right there. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to come underneath and deal with it. Problem with these plastic valve covers is that they don't give you any pry points. Like there's nowhere. Oh, there we go. I think I got her. Hey, does not seem to want to hold up that easily. problem is this electrical. I knew this was gonna be a fucking problem. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. I think the only way I'm gonna be able to deal with this is to pull this ECU plug off the way so I can pull it back, or at least get that piece off. Because the problem is it backs around the back of the manifold, and then our valve cover. Oh, there we go. It doesn't give me the room I need to get up and around it, so I need to have extra room. I need to put a screwdriver in there, pull this lever up so this can come off, and out the way. So now hopefully, I don't think I was. I don't think I'm fully out in this. Back one either. Okay, that was fully out. Those two hard ones were not. So I had the AC compressor line in the front. That was catching me. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay, what are we? Okay. Okay, what are we? I'm caught on something. Oh, it's the gasket. It's the gasket. Okay, we're out. We're out. That was a bit of a struggle, but we're out. All right, here we are. This side, this side, this side. Those cam journals look really good. I'm not seeing anything out of the ordinary that I should be concerned about. That's for sure. Timing marks are a little bit off, but I could see that in the computer. So everything looks good on this side. And I checked those bolts too to make sure that they're tight. One thing I am going to do different when I put it back together is pull the injector harness. I think that's going to make it easier. Coming to this side, look at the cam phasers. This side's good. We got 12 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That is good. Once I get everything apart, I will do a cam phaser test to make sure that the cam phasers stay in a locked position and don't move. Yeah, and then once again, I'll show you this side here. In case you missed the last video, this is the one where the problem is and where I'm out. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, not 12, 11. And that's where my 10-degree cam difference is coming from. So there you go. Timing job. We're not even halfway there yet. Still got lots to disassemble. That's all I can do for this set of days off. Next set of days off, get the oil pan out, get the front cover off, and get the timing back in place. It's going to cost a few dollars. That's why it's not going to be done right away, because I might as well do spark plugs. So I got it apart. I'm going to replace that oil cooler with a Dorman because I just got a Chinese one. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the Baxter back on. I don't know what's going on yet. I need to get down there and take care of this first. But once it's done, I'm looking forward to getting a rooftop tent on the Jeep, but not the style that you're thinking of. Blind Man Overland in Alberta here, you can pack campers, is getting these Jeep ones in where you could pop open the top, replace it with the hard top, pop open the top, climb in from outside. I think that's going to be a game changer when it comes to camping. Anyways, I'm going to get going, so I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. But first, we're going to have a motherfucking beer time because this oatmeal stout's been lingering in my fridge for I don't know how long. This is more of a winter beer. All the way from Boiling Ore Breweries. Motherfucking beer time, everybody. That tastes good. Now the video can officially end. Yeah. Lots of projects coming down the pipe. This one's going to be a big one. It's going to take a while and work on that dirt bike next. I'll see you guys later. Take care.